Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of sir as in some. Now we will see some of the examples. S is sir as in sand. S is sir as in seed. C says sir as in city. C says sir as in circus. C says sir as in sand. C says sir as in cement. S says sir as in bus. S says sir as in gas. C says sir as in rice. C says sir as in dice. C says sir as in pencil. C says sir as in recipe. C gives the sound of sir when it is followed by IE. Initial position, S says sir as in sand. Sir, sir, sand. S says sir as in seed. Sir, sir, seed. C says sir as in city. Sir, sir, city. C says sir as in circus. Sir, sir, circus. C says sir as in scent. Sir, sir, scent. C says sir as in cement. Sir, sir, cement. Final position. S says sir as in bus. Sir, sir, bus. S says sir as in gas. Sir, sir, gas. C says sir as in rice. Sir, sir, rice. C says sir as in dice. Sir, sir, dice. C says sir as in pencil. Sir, sir, pencil. C says sir as in recipe. Sir, sir, recipe.